Selamat berjumpa dengan saya, Rina Kurniawati, dalam perkuliahan Program Vokasional Berkelanjutan Diploma 1 Sekolah Tinggi Pariwisata Sahid. In this session, I'm going to present how to give a presentation in English with the topic how to prepare and make a dish. This is a very important topic, especially for those who want to be a professional cook in the future. As a professional cook, you are expected not to be able to cook, to be able to make a dish, but you also need to be able to present the dish and share the knowledge with your friends, with your colleague, or to the public. The objectives for this session: first, students are able to identify the phrases in English related to cooking. Second, students are able to know the steps in presentation. And the third, students are able to make a presentation on preparing and making a dish by using the appropriate phrases and steps. Now, in this chapter, I'm going to explain about the preparations that you need before giving a presentation, the phrases or the language necessary in presentation. The third, the steps in giving presentations, and fourth, the tips related in giving presentation. Now, what do you prepare before you give a presentation? You need to prepare the recipe itself. You need to know the things included in the recipe. You need to know the ingredients, the method of cooking, and utensils and equipment. You need to be able to understand the things in the recipe before you present it. Now, this is a sample of a recipe called scrambled eggs. The ingredients, and you can see there is a method. The ingredients is 2 eggs, salt and pepper, cooking oil. And the method, the first, break the eggs. Second, mix well until the color uniform. The third, heat the oil. The fourth, season with salt and pepper and cook for 5 minutes. And the last, serve in a dinner plate. Now, there are several phrases related to cooking. The first one is the quantity. The quantity is a number. The number of the materials that you need in presenting the dish. For example, 1, a quarter, a half, 1/3, 2.5, 100, 200. And then for the measurement, for example, kilogram, ounces, gram, liter, pounds, centiliter, milliliter. And then for the noun or the materials, for example, rice, chili, salt, oil, beef, sauce, soya sauce. Now, for example, the phrases becomes 1 kilogram of rice, half ounce of chili, 1/3 liter of oil, 1 pound of meat. So these are the phrases that you need in explaining the ingredients. Now the next one is phrases related to cooking. So these are the verbs that we use when we are preparing the food. There is cut, slice, dice, chop, pick, grate, mix, sprinkle, dip, season, put, pour, marinate, butter, mash, break, wash, add, garnish, skim, spread, strain, remove, shake, stir, stick, fillet, and roll. Now for example, chop the onions, season with salt and pepper, garnish with sliced tomatoes, and etc. So these are the phrases that you need when you want to prepare the food. Now, these are also the phrases related to cooking. For example, cook, steam, grill, saute, bake, roast, flambe, fry, deep fry, stew, braise, boil, poach, heat, simmer, pan fry. For example, deep fry the meat in 15 minutes. Boil the eggs. Heat the oil, etc. So these are the phrases that you need when you want to explain how to make a dish of food. Now, in giving a presentation, there are 4 things that you need to know, or there are 4 steps that we need to do. The first is the introduction, the second is the outline, the third, details of the presentation, and the last one is the wrap out. Now, for example, the first one is introduction. Greetings. You can say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. If the audiences do not know you, you can also introduce yourself. For example, my name is Rina. I'm a cook from Sahid Hotel. And then the second, you can introduce the dish that you want to present. For example, this morning I'm going to present how to make scrambled egg. You can also make another information, give another information about the dish. Let's say this dish comes from Indonesia, or this dish is a traditional dish from Italy, to give more information about the dish. The next one is the outline of the presentation. When you give a presentation, you need to tell the audience the outline of your presentation, or the key points that you want to present. Now, because you are explaining about a dish, a recipe of a dish, so the outline will be the ingredients and method of preparation. For example, in this presentation will be divided into 2 parts. The first, the ingredients. The second is the preparation. Or I'm going to present how to make a scrambled egg. First, I'm going to tell you the ingredients. The second, the method of preparation. After the outline of the presentation, you can come to details of the presentation. You inform the step or the procedure in cooking the dish, or in the preparations of the dish. It is necessary to use transition to move from one idea to another idea and to make your presentation in coherence. The transitions, for example, let's start with, in terms of method of preparation, first, second, or next, third, or then, after that, finally. Okay, for example, let's start with the ingredients. We need 2 eggs, 200 milliliters of water, and etc. In terms of preparations, first, heat the oil into the pan. Second, break the eggs. Third, whisk the eggs. After that, season with salt and pepper. Then cook for 5 minutes. And finally, serve in a dining plate. So you give the information, you tell about the process of cooking and preparing the dish. Now, at the end of your presentation, it is necessary to wrap up your presentation or to make an ending to your presentation. In the ending, you can tell about the uniqueness that you find in your dish, such as taste, best time to eat, or any other information that you want to tell to the audience. For example, this food, this scrambled egg, has a crunchy taste and it can be served in any meal time, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So you tell to the audience what is the unique things of the food or the dish that you present or the process that you make. Okay, and in the last of this presentation, there are some tips for you that you can use in your presentation. The first one is enthusiasm. It is necessary for you to explain your presentation with enthusiasm. Enthusiasm showing your interest about the subject. And then the second one is innovation. Innovation is the newness of the dish that you present. People will be interested to hear something new. So if you have found an innovation of a dish, or you can present a new kind of dish to present, it will be better. Okay. And these are some references that you can use for giving a presentation. If you have any questions, you can contact me at my email kurniawati_rina@yahoo.co.id. Demikian bahasan kali ini, semoga bermanfaat. Sampai jumpa dan terima kasih.